Subscribe Technical Purkait and click on the bell icon to get all the notification of our latest videos. West Bengal Higher Secondary Written Exam Schedule 2018 New Syllabus. Date, day 10 am to 1:15 pm. Morning session 27th March 2018 Tuesday. Bengali, English, Hindi, Nepali, Urdu, Santali, Udiya, Telugu, Gujarati, Punjabi. And the second day exam is 29th of March 2018 Thursday. English, Bengali, Hindi, Nepali, Alternative English. The third exam is Statistics, Geography, Costing, Taxation, Home Management and Family Resource Management, and it is Saturday. The fourth exam is 2nd April 2018 Monday. Mathematics, Psychology, Anthropology, Agronomy, History. The next exam is 4th April 2018 Wednesday. Physics, Nutrition, Education, Accountancy. And the next exam is 6th April 2018 Friday. Chemistry, Economics, Journalism and Mass Communication, Sanskrit, Persian, Arabic and French. The next exam is 7th April 2018 Saturday. Automobile, Organized Retailing, Security, IT and ITS. It's all other vocational subjects. And the next exam is 9th April 2018 Monday. Commercial Law and Preliminaries of Editing, Philosophy, Sociology. And the next exam is 10th April 2018 Tuesday. Computer Science, Modern Computer Application, Environmental Studies, Health and Physical Education, Music and Visual Arts. The next exam is 11th April 2018 Wednesday. Biological Science, Business Studies and Political Science. It's all at the written exam. Okay, let's come to the practical exam. It's all at the practical exam.